So I just got home and had a FedEx package waiting for me. I kind of thought this was vlog worthy because this came from UPrinting.com. So I don't know, like 3-4 days ago I uploaded some artwork, needed something just for the garage, and I don't know, their prices were unbelievable. Their turnaround, I think it's only been 3 days and I already have it. And they didn't give me any problems about artwork or, you know, copyright infringement or anything like that. So I've tried to upload stuff before to Kinko's or FedEx office to print banners or posters, and Shutterfly was like the most recent. I tried to do something for the truck, but it had the Dallas logo on it or something, and they refused to print it. So they said it was copyright infringement or licensed material through the NFL. So whatever, I went somewhere else. So I'm curious to see what their quality is, because it might be a good source, and if so, good shout out to them. So a little bit bigger box than I was kind of expecting for what it should or shouldn't actually be. So let's just take a look. Yeah, all of that just for a small little. So let's see how they did. Well, so far I am extremely impressed. Wow, that looks pretty good. And just wait, this thing goes on and on and on and on. Wow. Well, so far I am loving that. So this thing's like 18 by 178, and I sent them an Illustrator file with EPS artwork. That really turned out nice. Lettering was all outline text, and what I did is I put this like brown outline on the letter to match the Lamborghini Bull logo. Wow, that's pretty good. Yeah, so this whole thing was like, man, I don't remember, $39 or something ridiculous. Like 18 by 178. They do custom sizes, grommets every 24 inches, you know, full color printing, single-sided on, I don't remember how many ounce the vinyl was, full bleed, but wow. That is going to look fantastic. Well, I'm definitely impressed. So again, man, huge shout out then to UPrinting. And again, I think it's uprinting.com. As always, we'll put a link in the description, and check them out, because again, this thing was very cheap, and seriously, like a 72-hour turnaround. I wasn't expecting this at all. I was actually thinking it was another rug for the kitchen floor. So, wow, very nice. Well, as I posted in my other video, this is my new roll-up garage door. It's basically a Rolladen rolling shutter. They're made by Lumalux in Europe or in Germany, and I'm using it as a garage door. It's kind of phase one of a two-phase project. I had to do this and eliminate the garage door and the tracks so that I could get the extra height for the car stacker. That's next. But first, when it comes to that new banner, I'll show you where it's going to go. And you'll get a little sneak peek on how this thing opens up, because it's pretty freaking awesome. And there you go. How freaking awesome is that? Oh my god. And what I plan on doing next, just with this, is that's only visible when the door is open from the inside. And since the slats are what they are, it's going to take a little bit, but I'm going to do just the large Lamborghini logo on a wall graphic, and I'm going to put that right in the middle. And the only reason I wouldn't do that is I was also thinking, since that's a smoother surface, that I might green screen it, you know, for other stuff that I might need for video, but I'm still up in the air on that. But anyway, you gotta admit, that is freaking cool. Before I post this, I'll get another video of it during the daytime, because then the color's really gonna pop.